Day 12, magical people who made a difference. At times, our own lights goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, 1875 to 1965, Nobel Peace Prize winning author, medical missionary, and philosopher. Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life when we needed it most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there at the right time. And life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future. When you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better. That person may have been a teacher or coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. They may have been a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. Maybe there was someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core. My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love for those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love for books eventually led me becoming a writer. And my love of the countryside has influenced wherever I have lived throughout my life. My grandmother also disciplined me with a steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching me to say the magic words was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. She's not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma. Today, you're going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place along sometime during the day today. Sit down and think of the three extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your three people, work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling him or her the reasons why you're grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life. Make sure you do this magical practice with all three people in the one session because it will take your feelings of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up the magical practice throughout the day, you will not only feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results. Here is an example of what you might say. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I am living my dream and I couldn't be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. It's very important that you say the reasons why you're grateful, and you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say, the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful acts of gratitude you can ever perform. If you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address them as though you're writing a letter. When you've completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way that you feel. The evidence of gratitude's power making, power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. The secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things, which will make you even happier. That's the magic of life. And that's the magical power of gratitude. Magical practice number 12, magical people who made a difference. Number one, count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessings, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessings as you can. Find a quiet place alone sometime during today and make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Work through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you're grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. This is one of a very, very powerful exercise. I remember when I did it the first time, there was this one person, I don't even know his name. I was working with HDFC Ludhiana. I had gone for a training in Panchkula. There was this trainer there. He was there to motivate us. It was part of the HR, employee motivation and everything. And, he just said one line which says, follow your passion. The next day I put my resignation. So I really thank him. Because of that, I shifted to Delhi, got to see excellent exposure, and then I came back. In fact, there was a friend, Bhalla is a friend of mine. He was my roommate in Amity. Campus placements mein HDFC had come for the placements. And I wanted to get into the banking sector. So this friend of mine was a hardcore FMCG marketing guy. He said, I'm to FMCG mein. And I remember on the main steps, I told him, just put in your resume. A RM of a Citibank gets about 50,000-60,000 a month. He put in his resume and he got the job. In fact, when I went for my Panchkula training, he was with me during that training. He went on, moved, and I believe he is in a very high position in some bank in Canada heading the NRI division. He has called me 2-3 times and always reminded me that because of you and that line of Citibank के RM को 50-60 हजार मिलते हैं, that I got into this line and I'm doing fantastically well. वो थोड़ी गालियां भी निकलती, पंजाबी है. But somehow I always relate these two instances in my life when it comes, to the particular chapter. Because that training made me quit the bank. He was with me in that training and he got into the bank because of what I told him about a Citibank RM. And then he moved leaps and bounds in his career. Bhalla is aware whom I'm talking about.
Yeah, he had even got into consulting.
Yeah, he's in Canada, I believe now.
Sometime in the financial services consulting. And when he moved to Canada, he opened his own firm there.
He was heading some division. That's what I last heard.
Yeah, that was why he was in Dubai. He moved to Canada. Now, latest is that he's quit the job and all, and he started. He's taken up an old age home. So now, very recently, he's moved away from the financial services. But yes,
Good
he was
15 years.
with Citi, with HSBC in Dubai, then London, back in Dubai. I moved on to one of the large consulting groups, again in the financial sector. But yeah, definitely he stuck around for a very long time. Made it big in finance and banking.
Anybody else has any questions regarding this chapter or practice? This can be done with people alive. You can just, in your own space, visualize them. And it can also be done with people who are not with us. You just need to visualize them and have that talk with them. And if you can write it, all the more better. But if you can just visualize them and have that talk with him, that's what's important. Whoever inspired you to do something, there are a lot of people. If you sit down in your quiet space and you think, there'll be so many people. Well, I don't remember the name of the trainer, but I changed my job because of him. So there's so many people who have inspired us at some point of time, either in your personal life or in your career. So if you just sit down and walk through your life, you'll find a lot of people. So you just need to work with 3 of them for today. Anybody wants to say anything? Any sharing, any questions, any doubts?
Yeah, I think one needs to be you. You're making a lot of difference to our life.
When I make it, the second time you do this book, then you can put me. Now we are in the book.
So we can also start thanking you.
Next time you can do Rhonda Byrne.
Okay. Next time with our number.
Next time.
We can always do advanced booking.
No, it has to be somebody in your past before this book, I would suggest. Baki, on a lighter note is different, but on a right note, somebody in your past who guided you. Your football coach, your athletic coach, anybody, your teachers, your uncle, your mama, be anybody.
It has something. Maybe we're already on it. It needs to be like something, somebody has inspired us to do something, or something they told us, and we follow that. Jesse Rhonda Byrne mentioned that her grandmom said that books.
The books and countryside.
So it's.
Thank you, Grandma, for if I was Rhonda Byrne, it could be stated. Thank you, Grandma, for introducing me to these fantastic books. They are a source of inspiration to me now. I'm a writer. Can be anything that inspired you.
Inspired is
or clicked something. You made a change. because anything that inspire you, that knowledge will give you a certain spark of wisdom, so you will act in that manner. So you would have done something.
Give the like example.
Like example, you know, like I'm thinking about what my dad used to say, ki choti choti, you know, just daily, every day, like my dad would say, oh, choti chot pe rote nahi hai, you know, choti choti cheezon ka itna wo nahi karte.
Thank you for making me so strong.
So strong, hai na? So it's not inspiring, but it's changed me. It's not.
It can be inspiring, can be changing, it can be something which clicked, you adapted to that.
Yeah.
It's inspiring. I mean, a lot of people are weak in this world.
Yes.
You think so many politicians and the powers are in hands of so few because the others are weak. So being strong in this world is one of the most important things.
Hmm.
It can be anything. Somebody inspired you to do anything. Somebody inspired you to be strong. Somebody inspired you to develop a sense of humor. यार हर चीज को seriously नहीं लेते यार, थोड़ा मजाक भी किया करते हैं. I remember when I did it for my grandfather particularly, I had this thing. There was an instance, I went to him, I had just joined business and I said, I want to expand my business and we can earn more money and this and that, and I need more money to pump into the factory. तेरे को चाहिए क्या? मैं कहा जी मुझे ये चीजें चाहिए, and he sorted out these things for me. Chalo, very good, everything got sorted and in a very beautiful manner. Somehow I went to him again. There was a later part, probably a year or two down the line. I don't feel like going to the factory. ठीक है, पैसे तो हम कमा रहे हैं and all that stuff. There was he had this particular anecdotes he used to quote, which used to really, put you on the thing. You know what he told me? Some particular incident, his wisdom advice was, यार पैसा तो वो चौरसिया वाला भी कमा लेता है, पान वाला, तो पान पार्लर ही खोल ले, इज्जत भी कोई चीज होती है. So he had those knickknacks, those there were many. I should sit with him sometime because generally I used to have lunch with him, so we used to get 1 hour together. And I have many stories of my grandfather, especially during my work. During my schooling, I never spent much time hostel, and then education, was quite into studies and everything. But yeah, when I came back business, I spent good 10 years having lunches with him. Anybody, anything? You guys have heard about this female called Arunima Sinha? Anybody knows about Arunima Sinha? I have a video about this.
The one who climbed the mountain, right?
She is the only girl to climb Mount Everest with a mutated leg. हम लोग normal में नहीं सोच सकते. She's got a mutated leg, and after that, how she got inspired, and what all instances happened with her. It's a small kind of a biography of about 8 to 10 minutes, I guess, but very, very inspiring. But the kind of courage I would say this girl has is fantastic. Hats off. Amazing. Just play the video.